guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mac, and today we're here with another slime video. We have Crazy Sensations, and it says ASMR Wheel. It has 10 amazing slimes that I will share with you. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Last time on the Baby Shark one, I struggled with the tape. So, good thing the tape's not like stuck on this one as Baby Shark's was. That was hard to get off. But this isn't. Because, this tape is easier to get off. So, yeah. Okay, so we have little Ziploc bags for the slime, I'm guessing, or the extra. No, these are for the extra like beads and stuff that we have. Okay. Okay. There's 2 ways. I need to. First off, oh, and if you hear anything in the background, it's just my dad playing basketball. Well, on the Xbox. So don't be too worried about the noise in the background. But you know. Ooh, that's pretty. I want to get all the like elastic off. I think I can just like. Okay, where's the rack? Gosh dang it, I can't. Whoa. Huh. Yeah, give me the plastic. Alright, we're starting off with that one first. This smells weird. It Smells funky, funky, funky. You know what I figured out? That some of my friends from school are watching my videos. So I try not to be too weird, but they'll embarrass me. But I still will be weird. I will still be my weird stuff. I will not let anybody judge me. Because, guys, don't ever let anybody judge you. If you do, well, just don't. Like, don't. And also, don't judge a book by its cover. Just a person by their cover. It's kind of like what Martin Luther King said in his speech. My favorite part is when he said, I hope my children, when they grow old, they won't be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Don't do the same as Martin Luther the King said. Because he is right. I love Martin Luther King. I know all about him. If you have one question about him, which you can do comments down below, then, well, yes. Like, I'm trying to get this plastic off, so I'm talking to you while I do. So, if you ever grow up to be someone who judges people, I hope it's by the content of their character, not by the color of their skin or all that jibber jabber. The content of their character is what I'm worried about. There's not a lot of people that are not nice. I mean, there's a lot of people that are mean and rude and disrespectful. But don't be. You can show reaction, but that's just going to make things a lot worse. But you know what my dad does? He follows Martin Luther the King. He judges people by the content of their character. And so do I. And hopefully you hit. Okay. So, just gonna wait to get the rest. Yeah, I only have 3 more left, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. Alright. Alright, first we're gonna start off with rolling our sleeves. I'm gonna start off with this one. You see if it goes in there, because it looks like that kind of sign. I'm not gonna reuse this, but I just want all the plastic off. Okay. So this one's pretty dang pretty. It's like this lime green color, and it's really stretchy. Okay, and now we're gonna pick something to add in it. We can do foam, these little silver things. I think those silver things will look good in that, or pink beads, purple beads, rainbow beads, fishbowl beads, big pearls, blue beads. What would this look good with? I honestly think it would look good with the silver. So I'm gonna put some of these silver flakes in it. Silver. Alright, now we're gonna mix it in. Okay, it kind of looks like a fish slime, like an aquarium slime. But I feel like that's more like a blue slime. I want to make one of my blue ones like an aquarium. You know what I want to do? I want to get like a small little aquarium case. Ooh, puppy. So that's this one, and I even add little fun things with it, so it looks better. Alright. There we go, there's that one. Now we're gonna do this Jello jabber one. Get off of me. Like it sticks like a bug. It sticks like a, what are those things? I just saw it too on YouTube Shorts. I don't know, but I used to get them all the time. Ticks. Yeah, they stick to you like ticks. Like, oh. I don't know what I want to add to this one. There's nothing really. It's just like a. It's like a Jello slime. Ugh. And it sticks to you a lot. But I don't think it'll do that if you play with it a lot. I don't know what to add. What if I add? I don't think these clear things. These fishbowl things. What if I add fishbowl? Oh, landed in this. Fishbowl things? Yes, queen, yes. Yeah. I'm not a really big fan of this one. This yellow Jello mumbo jumbo one. I'm not really a big fan of it. It's the stickiest slime ever. Not that I've encountered, but it's really sticky. And gross. Just straight up nasty. Like, ugh, nasty. Okay. Next slime. I'm gonna move you out of the way somewhere. I don't like that one. But I do like this green one. Alright, let's get that the next time. Just going back to the past. Oh, I did say I was going to do this one first. Well, we'll do this one third then. Third it is. Whoops, I forgot. Because I really wanted to do that green one. So. Oh, whoopsie daisies. Oh, this is like butter slime. You guys don't know how much I love butter slime, or just slime in general. Like, oh, it's the goddess of all fidgets. Okay. Keep an eye on you, yellow. Okay. Ooh. This is a really good butter slime. Okay, this is like a gelatin slime. This is a jiggly slime. And this is a butter slime. I'm in heaven. Okay, for this, I think the purple bead things. They're not beads really, they're like paper. plastic kind of. It feels like paper, but it also seems plastic. I don't even know. I'm gonna mix it up. Now we're gonna add some more. Oh, I love butter slime. Butter slime. Okay. Okay. Next slime. Next slime. I'm gonna do this one. It's like one with a bunch of foam beads in it. Like foam slime, I think it's in. Like, I don't even know. Dang, I didn't even get it out. Alright, that's part of it. You know, like a utensil to get. I need like this. Oh, I should tell my dad this, unless he watches this video, which he does. He watches all my videos. I should tell Dad that I should get a shelf. Bring one of the shelves from the other rooms in here, and just put all my slimes and stuff on it. That would be cool. So whenever I wanted to play slime, I could just reach over and grab it. Not over here, but like over there or something. Okay, I think this one is as fine as is fine how it is, because I like to where you can like shape things and you don't even have to worry about, you know, mixing anything. It looks good whatever you make. If you think it looks good, it looks good. And if somebody else thinks it looks good, it looks good. It looks good no matter what. Okay, see, I made a little wheel. See, I love this one. So I'm just gonna leave it on this, because you're perfect as you are. Alright, we're gonna put that one right there. So that one doesn't move or anything, so I can put that like that. Oh, I forgot it was sticky. Oh, I forgot that one was sticky. Yeah. Alright, next one is this purple one. Ooh. It just came out in a block. It's like jiggly, but also not. I've had slime like this before, and it's super soft. Alright, I want to put. I want to put these. No, I want to put these pink things in there. I don't even know what they are. They feel weird though. They feel like really, 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 really weird. Yeah. Oh, guys, tomorrow is 4th of July. Not 4th, sorry. 4th of July. Tomorrow's April Fool's Day. So that means it's May 31st day. And tomorrow is May 32nd. And then tomorrow it's April Fool's. Why do I keep saying April Fool's? Oh, it is April Fool's. It's April Fool's Day tomorrow. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Alright, next one. It's not really slime, it's not slime, it's not sand. It's slime sand. This is sand. It's slime sand. It's not kinetic sand. I don't like kinetic sand. But it's like foam sand. I'm gonna add this sparkles. The little one. I don't want like anything else with those in there because I don't really like putting stuff in my kinetic sand either. Alright. Not kinetic sand. Ugh, slime sand. Oh, this one. This one. Ooh, I like this one. This one's super good. Ooh. It's like it's jello, but it's jello, but it's stretchy. Can you see me? Now you can. Ready? You can't see me? Now you can. You can see me? Now you can. Okay. I haven't added blue ones to any. I want to use the blue ones for the aquarium one though. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to put, I think the clear ones will go good with this one. Okay. What I don't like about this one is that when you stretch it, it goes straight back. Like watch. Are you supposed to do that? It's so mean. Alright. Whoa. Okay. There's plastic on here. Next, slime. I'm already loving these slimes. We're gonna set this like this. Is that here? Okay, now I gotta open more, guys. I'm sorry. I think I should have just opened them all. Then I gotta sit here and open them. You know what happens when I watch slime videos? I just want to reach into the TV and go into the TV and touch the slime they're playing with. Like, it's so... Come on! I'm not holding my breath. I don't know why. Maybe I should use this. There we go. That worked. Looky there, that worked. Ugh, it's kind of like this. Oh no, it's not. It's like the yellow one, but it's not sticky. So like it's jello-ish, but it stretches. So it's a jiggly, stretchy slime. That's blue. Then I'm turning into an aquarium. Okay. I don't even know if I like. I don't know, y'all. Okay, next is this blue slime. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, I'm gonna make bubble. Ready? Oh, oh. It barely works. Alright, I'm gonna stick the blue in here. I'm gonna lay it down. It was louder than I expected. Sorry, just looking back, make sure you're still watching. Making sure, just making sure you're watching the entire thing. Got it? Yeah. I'm just kidding. If it's getting boring, You guys don't have to watch it. It's probably, they're probably like, oh my gosh, why is she talking so much? I like to talk. And I bet you guys already know that. Oh, and if I'm your favorite YouTuber, comment down below. Just tell me that, hey, you're my favorite YouTuber or something. And be like, hey, I'll make a special video out to you. I'll be like, hey, this person's name. I heard that you think I'm your favorite YouTuber. I just wanted to say that you are my friend now, I guess. I don't know. I'll just put all of them pop towards the middle, and with I don't even know. I can get the slime out. Like, geez, like, Matt, hello, are you gonna play with the slime? Yes, guys, I'm playing with the slime. Let me get it all off. Butter slime again, butter slime, butter slime. I have two of each slime, but in different colors. So that blue I just played with was the replicate of yellow, but it was yellow. The purple is like this green. This skin looking color is like this pink color. This foam beads is like the sand. This sand is like the sand, and that slime is like, I don't even know. No. Get it all out of here. Yeah. Butter slime gets really, really, really stretchy when you're here. Like moving everywhere, all over the place. Trying to get this one slime out of here. It's taking forever. That's a hyperbole. Because I was being over exaggeration. I was being way. Alright, I want to put these cubes. Yeah, they're supposed to make it like freaking foam slime. So I want this pink one to be like a really nice. No, I don't want you guys to mix. Oh, that was close. I'm watching my slime carefully. Alright, next slime. That looks like airline. Airline. And I don't want to add anything to this. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching my channel. That's all I have for you today. This mystery wonderful adventure of slimes. Thank you guys and hope you enjoyed. Bye.